Welcome to a world where natural beauty meets simplicity. Today we're diving into the tiny but mighty flaxseed, a gift from nature for your hair and skin. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3s, vitamin E, and protein, making them the perfect base for a nourishing gel that hydrates, defines, and strengthens your curls and coils. Don't know about you, but look at those flax seeds. They look amazing. So let's dive into how you make your own flaxseed gel for your hair. I'm starting off with a quarter cup of flax seeds. I'm going to put this in a pot. Then I add in 2 cups of water. You can add more water if you want to, as well as the flax seeds. Put it in your stove and allow it to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. While I was waiting for mine to boil, someone decided to join in on the fun, although she's more interested in playtime than flaxseed gel. Once it starts to boil, allow it to simmer for a couple of minutes until it thickens. So for me, I decided to check if the thickness was good enough for me. So I took a spoon and I allowed it to cool just a bit, and then I used my hands to check the consistency, and this was how it looked like. And I decided to just turn off the stove and save it. So I'm saving it with this cloth. You can use a cheesecloth as well as a wig cap or anything that you prefer using. And please allow it to cool a bit because I was burning my hands while saving this. And once you're done, that's how you make flaxseed gel. It looks so weird and kind of disgusting, but honestly, it was so satisfying. You can use this right away or store it in your fridge. So this is days later. I stored my flaxseed gel in my fridge, and you're supposed to put it in an airtight container. So this is how my hair looks like. It's very dry and it's very tangled. So I'm supposed to use this flaxseed gel as a prepoo and as a detangler. So, for those of you who don't know, I started a length retention challenge where I'm challenging myself to retain more length. I started a hair growth challenge back in April 2024, and I've realized that I do grow my hair really well. The problem was I was not retaining that length. That is why I started this challenge, and I'd really love for you guys to join me. And this is part of the routine that I'm going to be implementing. So, what I'm going to be doing in all my routine is prepoo. And I believe that prepooing is very important, especially when it comes to type 4 hair. So I'm using flaxseed gel. I'm going to be using flaxseed gel because, guys, this was the best thing that I've ever put in my hair. This was actually the first time I tried flaxseed gel, and I was super impressed. You're going to see my reaction throughout, and please forgive me for the chewing. I really don't know why I started chewing, but anyway. So the flaxseed gel was super amazing, guys. I kid you not. The sleep that comes with this thing, it's beyond my expectation. As you see me going through different emotions while applying this gel on my hair, let me share with you the benefits of flaxseed gel. So, flaxseed gel promotes hair growth, it defines curls naturally, and you're going to see that in a few. It reduces frizz and adds shine, and it also hydrates and strengthens the strands. As I was applying this gel, I could feel the moisture soaking into every strand. And another thing, it's lightweight yet so hydrating. Trust you me guys, this is a perfect blend of nature and nurture. Honest with you guys, this flaxseed gel is stunning. It gives you an amazing definition and my hair feels soft already. While I was applying it, my hands were just gliding through. You know, this isn't just a product, guys. It's an experience, and I'd really love for you guys to try this. Flaxseed gel is amazing. I kid you not, guys. You need to try this as your prepoo. The main problem I was having when it comes to my natural hair was I was breaking my hair every single time I was detangling my hair. And I never really used to prepoo. What I used to do is I would detangle my hair in the shower. But before detangling my hair, if I'm remoisturizing my hair in between my wash days, I'll detangle again. And so while I was doing that, every single time I used to break my hair. One thing while you're applying this flaxseed is you're going to feel your hair getting soft. Another thing is you're going to feel your hair getting really moisturized. It's going to hydrate your hair. You're just going to feel that hydration in your hair. Another thing is the slip. The slip is going to make it flawless. I did not experience any breakage. I never really got tired. Most of the times I get tired of detangling my hair and I ran out of patience, but this time round, this was so much enjoyable. Also, I did spritz my hair with a little bit of water before applying the gel. So you need to make sure that you spritz your hair a little bit with water. And as you can see, guys, I couldn't stop smiling. This was just an amazing experience, guys, and I'd really love for you guys to try it. To be honest, guys, I don't really have any negative to say about this flaxseed gel. Honestly, as much as I'm trying to, I cannot find any negative thing because this is just amazing. And just look at that hair, guys. Look at how that comb is gliding through. Guys, this is insane. I've never felt this kind of sleep before. I don't even know why it took me so long to use this ingredient. Oh my god, look at that. Look at this, guys. Look at this. My fingers are just gliding, like literally gliding through. What? Wow. 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 As you can see, guys, I was shocked. I couldn't believe that this was my hair. Another thing is I couldn't keep my hands off my hair because what? My hair felt so soft, and as we speak right now, guys, I'm making another batch. It's already on the stove, and I'm never going to detangle my hair without this gel. I kid you not. So, if you're in this length retention challenge with me, kindly grab yourself some flax seeds and let's use this flaxseed gel as a detangler, as a moisturizer, and also as a defining gel. And that's it, guys. That's it. I don't even know if I have anything else to say. You can see the results for yourself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow this to stay in my hair for 40 minutes. Yes, I stayed with it for even longer. I better stayed with it for an hour, but just allow it to stay for a few minutes and then rinse it off, then continue with your shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner. For my low porosity girlies, just use a plastic cup or a steamer and stay with it for just 30 to 40 minutes. So don't forget to join me in this new challenge, the length retention challenge, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. And that's it, guys. That's all you need to have the most amazing gel, the most amazing detangler, the most amazing ingredient that I've ever met in my life. You need to give this a try, guys. Please just try it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, guys.